The Clip-In Volumizer by Tara Hair is your ultimate solution for thicker and fuller hair. Clip-In volumizers are designed to give your hair that extra boost of volume and design without any hassle. They're perfect for any special occasion or whenever you want that extra boost of confidence. Inside the package, you will get the volumizer extension and 2 clips. The 2 clips are extra in case you need extra support or to switch out any of the clips on the actual extension. The clips are super sturdy and strong, so make sure to clip it a little bit harder to open and close it than you normally would. In addition, each volumizer comes with 4 pre-attached clips with silicone grips for a secure hold. In this video, I'll be showing how to apply the Clip-In volumizers to my natural hair, and I do not have any extensions in currently. First, let's get the supplies you need, which you probably already have in your home. You can grab a comb for sectioning, but if you don't have one of these, that is fine, you can use your hands. I will not be using a comb today. Also grab a clip or a hair tie, and a brush. Best place to use Clip-In volumizers is just below the crown of your head or at the broadest part of your head. This allows for even distribution across your hair. Now for the seamless application process. First, I like to brush the Clip-On volumizer and my hair before application. Next, I take the volumizer and unclip the pre-attached clips. Lastly, I flip the volumizer around to clip onto my natural hair. Make sure to line it up correctly based on your part. I like to put the clip 1 inch below the part to add extra length to my hair. However, you can put it on the part or above the part. It just depends on your preference and if you have extensions in already. To close out the process, just take out the clip or hair tie you had in and fluff your hair. Voila! Instant volume and thickness with no special tools or skills required. These extensions are designed to be gentle on your hair, providing comfort and a lightweight feel. They're perfect to wear for the entire day for effortless style. Just look at how good and natural it looks. If you have the desire to curl your hair or use other hot tools, now you can. Whether your hair is short, long, thick, or thin, the volumizer clips works wonders for everyone. They're available in 30 different colors ranging from 14 to 22 inches, and you can even choose how thick you want it. Made from 100% human hair, Tara Hair ensures quality and comfort with minimal shedding and tangling. They offer a wide range of colors and lengths to choose from, allowing you to find the perfect match for your hair with affordable prices. Included in the package is a complimentary color swatch. This handy addition allows you to preview the color without opening the main package, ensuring effortless returns and exchanges if the color doesn't quite match your hair. Please note that once the package is opened on this gray tab, the products cannot be returned due to maintaining safety and quality assurance standards. You can now order from CanadaHair.ca for customers in Canada or USAHair.com for customers in US to experience the difference with Tara Hair today. Both online stores offer free shipping, free returns, and free color match services. Don't forget, if you're having trouble selecting the perfect hair color, take advantage of the complimentary color match service that Tara Hair provides. You'll receive a free color swatch and free samples to help you make the right choice. Additionally, you can send them a selfie and the team of experts will personally recommend the ideal hair color for you. Transform your look today with the Clip-In Volumizer by Tara Hair. And get ready to love your hair and styling like never before.